Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a clip-on security light, like solar sensor light. It's all solar and clip-on and light and coolness. Okay, let's check it out. If I can open it. Okay. Should be two of them actually, so let's see what we got. So we have two of the devices. One, two. We have two, box empty. Two of the mounting kits, so they can be screwed in if we need to, although it's got a clip, so we should be able to just clip it on stuff. And then we have some instructions here explaining how to do it, but let's just give it a go. It's a huge clip. This would be great for like clipping bags of Cheetos and stuff, you know. Just kidding. Okay, so what do we got here? We have, so this is this little screw onto the wall, I guess, here. So you would screw it on probably that way if you wanted to, and then you'd have a solar panel here, and the light would come down there, and you could clip stuff into it. Not sure why you wouldn't clip on there. I got it so I could clip it onto stuff to have it work, but let's see. So we have 3 different modes, so let's see. Oh, it's probably not charged right now, but let's see, what do we got going on in here? So we have a little button in here, so there, oh, there it's on. So let's see, mode 1 is a strong light sensor, so when it gets censored, when it gets censored, the strong light will go on at night. The second mode is a strong light in sensor mode for 15 seconds. Oh, when it's off. The first mode had it where it was dim all the time, and then it would just go that. And then the third mode is just stays in dim mode no matter what when it's at nighttime. So let's see. So we probably want, I don't know where we're at now. So this is dim mode. So we want, so now it's off. And now this is probably what I'd want, is bright mode when there's motion, and then it goes to dim when there's not. Although right now it went off. So I'm guessing maybe I have it on mode 2. Let's see what this one does. Or maybe it was on mode 1, but it was too light in my office to really notice anything. Because this is dim. That's off. Definitely off. And then that's mode 1. Okay, so mode 1 is what I want. So let's see if there's anything else I'm missing here. So we can screw it into stuff, or we just clip it onto something. So let's try to clip it onto something outside and see what happens when we do it. Let's go outside and give it a shot. Okay, so I came to my office here, and you can see it's a brick facade, and then up there, that's like cement board, so I can't really screw it onto there. I don't own this place. But what I did was I clipped it on over here. Oh, I moved, darn it. So the light went on, but you'll see it goes to dim mode once I stop moving here for a few seconds. We'll see how long it takes. But I just put it over the electric panel just for fun on the clip. We'll see. There, see, now it's in dim mode. So this would just stay dim mode pretty much all night, as long as it gets sun during the day to charge it. And then when there's motion, it gets bright. So how cool is that? So really cool. So I just clipped it onto a screw over there to show you guys, but I'll be bringing this home and connecting it up at the house, probably by the eve or something like that, just so we can have some light. But very cool. I like it. So thumbs up. I've got some light here. Actually, maybe I will leave it here. The guy who owns the place would probably like it, so they can see things.